Yeah, darling, you're doing a brilliant job of swimming all on your own. Yay! Wow. You're learning to swim. Wow. So, this is our, fifth day of our holiday, and Lucas started swimming on his own, and he loves it. We can't really keep him out of the pool. You cold? The water's fresh.